Marriages like births mark a new beginning. The day we drove home from the hospital after Whitney was born was a new beginning for us. As Whitney and Noah start a brand new beginning, like us, they're probably filled with a feeling of being a little overwhelmed at it all, but those feelings will melt away in large part as they anticipate their new life together and as they build a relationship that will stand the test of time. Put God first in your life, love each other as Christ loves you, be each other's best friend, and when things don't go well, forgive as often as it is required. So today, your friends and family surround you as you begin something new and marvelous. Remember your promises, keep them with all your heart, and you will have that sense of joy and wonder that exceeds all you have heretofore known. With all mine and Mom's heart, we offer you our congratulations, loves, and warmest wishes as you begin this latest adventure life has to offer.
You're my, always you're my sunshine, you're my reality.
We've had a great time over the last few weeks, spending time at dinner, sharing stories. You've loved on my son, and I appreciate it. But most of all, inside of you, I see a man that works hard. Colossians 3 says this, whatever you do, work heartily as unto the Lord, knowing that from the Lord you will receive the inheritance as your reward. Whitney, I've been around you a long time. Days that have been filled with great joy. Times that we have sat at your home, played in your pool, have even been at the beach and seen all kinds of things. But what I also see is a woman that needs no external enhancements. A woman that is beautiful because you've given your life to Jesus. 1 Peter says this, do not let your adorning be external, the braiding of hair and putting on of gold jewelry or the clothing you wear. But let your adorning be the hidden person of the heart with the imperishable beauty of gentle and a quiet spirit, which is in God's sight very precious. This is a special day for both of you, one that we're going to celebrate because God brought you here to this place in front of great friends and great family to celebrate you becoming one new family.
And I will, when the sky is falling, I promise you I'm all in I do.
First, I want to take a moment to look at how stunning my sister looks tonight. Round of applause for that one. I helped pick out that dress. When I first met Noah, I remember Mom calling to tell me, since I'm never home for anything, that Whitney had found herself a boy and that he was a lot different than all the ones before. She told me that they had met at church and that Whitney had really started to fall for him. The way I see it, God brought Noah into Whitney's life at the right moment in time, and I think it's safe to say the same for Noah. Whitney, although she's not with us today, I want to take a moment to mention that Nana would be so proud of you and how I wish so badly that she could see how happy you are. My sister and I have shared the biggest moments of our lives together, and I'll be forever thankful for every memory, every experience, and every tear that we've ever had together. Whitney, you make the most beautiful bride, and I'm beyond thankful that God gave me you as my big sister. Noah, thank you for giving my sister the world, even when she goes over the budget. Here's to Whitney and Noah.
My dearest Noah, I prayed for you. You are more than I ever dreamed you would be. You have taught me peace and charity, strength and integrity, and beautiful bliss of life's most simple joys. I love you for so many reasons, but I love you most for your servant heart that God has given you. You are my best friend. Today I choose to give myself to you in marriage. I will laugh with you during the times of joy and be your place of comfort during times of struggle. I will love you when life seems easy and even harder, when we can't seem to see the light at the end of the tunnel. I promise to pursue you each and every day. You are my brightest light and my husband from this day forward. Today, surrounded by the ones we love, before God, I vow to honor, inspire, and respect you for the rest of our days. I am yours, Noah, forever and always. All that I am now and all that I'll ever be. Your bride.
This is more than just a union. This is etched into eternity.
I just want to say congratulations. I'm so happy that y'all are married. And Whitney, you're perfect for Noah. And Noah, you're perfect for Whitney. There couldn't have been any other better match anywhere else. And I just want to say thank you for letting me be here and let me be a part of your life. And anytime you need me or any one of us, we'll be there for you. No problem. And Whitney, one word of advice. If he ever doesn't listen to you, all you got to do is tell him he can sleep in a dog box. And he'll be good to go. Thank y'all.
Whitney, since the first day I met you, I know that there's something special. My mother saw me going down a weary path, and I prayed to find the godly woman. Little did I know, not very long after that, I met you. You have shown me nothing less than unconditional love. We have had so many days, months, and almost a year that waited for this day. We have laughed, we've cried, we've sang, we've shouted. But in the end, I've fallen for you over and over again. I will love you till my last breath, and thank you for an amazing life.
And I'll say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do.
You have entered into the covenant vows. Have exchanged ring as a token of your commitment. Publicly, legally, and deliberately have you entered into the holy state of matrimony. It gives me great pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife. Noah, you can kiss your bride.
Heart for my whole life. I'll give you my heart for my whole life. And this is where it starts. And I'd say I do when the sky turns black and he comes back riding on the clouds. And every day and every breath you take, I choose you.